Tommy's Kittens
Kittens, I'm home. It's Christmas Eve.
Do your chores, and then we go to dinner.
are causing trouble.
Not cool, guys.
And Tommy's mom
Kittens, what did you do?
We may have gotten carried away.
We need to take care of ourselves.
Be careful, Patches.
has had enough.
They're gonna have to go up for adoption.
So Tommy asks a friend to lend a hand.
Cookies.
But Santa
Shoot!
is allergic
Mom won't let me keep the kittens, please. Kittens.
to cats.
Santa?
I think we broke Santa.
You have to fill in for the big man. Come on!
All presents must be delivered by sunrise.
We gotta get out of here. Go, go, go!
This year,
Those are my kittens. The reindeer took off with your sleigh.
the kittens
How are we supposed to deliver these presents?
Fire!
have Christmas
I have a bad feeling about this.
Let's dress you up. Run, run, run.
in the bag. Santa Claus
This is Kitty 1 coming in.